It's the age-old battle between man and machine. Well, sort of machine and man together versus just man. But we're going to turn down some ferrules. We're going to do some by hand, and we're going to do some using the belt sander. We're going to see how long it takes and how they look when we're done. So let's go. Hi everyone, welcome to the Mobile Club Maker. I'm AJ. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today we are going to do a little race, a little contest, I guess, between using my belt sander and using just the old-fashioned sandpaper shoe shine method of turning down ferrules. If you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you've probably seen me use the shoe shine method on numerous different occasions just to show that it can be done that way without a lot of extra tools. But I don't know that I've ever actually even used my belt sander on camera. So that is changing today. We are going to basically turn down two golf clubs that are more or less identical. They've got the same size ferrule on them, on the same size hosel. So we've got the same amount of material that we have to remove. We're going to do one on the belt sander. We're going to do one just with the shoe shine sandpaper method. We're going to see one, how long it takes, and then two, we're going to put them side by side, see how they look. Okay, I've got my stopwatch here. I've got my golf clubs here that we're going to be turning down, and we should be ready to go. So first up, we're going to do the hand method, by hand method, just using our two different kinds of sandpaper. So away we go. And done. 3 minutes, 19 seconds, start to finish. Okay, the time to beat was 3 minutes, 19 seconds. We've got our belt sander with our linen belt. We, of course, have our safety glasses. And let's get started now. And done. 2 minutes, we'll call it 2 minutes and 22 seconds overall. Okay, so the final times were belt sander about 2 minutes and 22 seconds, and the just going by hand and using the sandpaper was about 3 minutes and 19 seconds. I took probably a little longer than I probably would usually do on the belt sander. I was being a little bit more careful to sort of just go tiny bit by tiny bit, taking it down. These ferrules were definitely pretty thick to start with, so that took maybe a little longer than it would with a more reasonable sized ferrule, but still you can see it was about a minute less using the belt sander. So figure if you had 8 clubs to do, you'd probably be saving about 8 or 10 minutes over a set of irons. As far as the finished look goes, I would say they're basically identical. As you can see, they are both just, they look like well done, professionally factory installed ferrules, which is what you want. They're smooth, they're even, they're shiny. That's all you can ask for, and you got the same result whether we did it with the belt sander or we did it with the hand, just sandpaper method. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see some extra tips on turning down ferrules using a belt sander, check out my Patreon page at AJ Golf. I'm going to have a video there with a couple extra tips on how to turn down ferrules using a belt sander to make them look professional and perfect. So definitely go check that out. Again, that's AJ Golf on Patreon. If you enjoyed this video, please go down below, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely hit that bell icon so you'll be alerted when I post new videos. I'm on Instagram. You can find me at Mobile Club Maker, and we will see you next time. Bye.